Even your kids might say, "Oh, you want that cookie, daddy? You want that cookie, mommy?" And you know you're not supposed to have it. Here's 5 tips to help you lose weight if you work a 9 to 5. All right, so if y'all can see, I got on my cool dad shirt. I wore this for the purpose of this video because I felt like uh, a lot of people that's gonna come across this video probably is gonna be in my age bracket. Should I reveal it? But um, working a 9 to 5 is gonna go hand in hand with being a parent, right? It's a busy lifestyle. You go to work, now you come home, you gotta do the job of a parent. Um, so I'm here to help you come up with a foundation to help you hit your weight loss goals, working a busy 9 to 5, and then also being a parent. It's funny talking about being a parent. Got my kids' toys all around me. If I was to turn this camera around, you'd be like, "Whoa!" with all the little toys and stuff. Um, but anyway, that's the purpose of this video. It's helping a busy lifestyle person that works a 9 to 5 and also being a parent come up with a foundation to help you with your goals and stay on track. You get up, you go to work, you have a rough day at work, you come home, you don't feel like going to the gym or cooking a meal. You just want to pull out your phone, get the Uber Eats, get the Grubhub, and call it a day, right? Especially if you're a parent. You're tired, mentally drained, sometimes physically drained, right? If your 9 to 5 is a physical job. So I'm gonna give you these 5 tips to help you stay on track and hit your weight loss goals. Number 1, before you do anything, you have to identify areas in your life where you're wasting time. And you have to be honest with yourself. I mean, if it's anything from sitting, reading the newspaper, if people do that anymore. Nah. If you're scrolling on your social media feeds, you're probably wasting time there. Um, any little thing that you can identify as an area in your life where you're just wasting time, you have to pinpoint that and implement rule number 2. That's implementing that time and designating it to your fitness and meal prepping. Yes, meal prepping is involved always, right? You have to say, all right, here's an area or time that I'm just wasting that I can implement into my fitness, right? Which would bring us to number 3, sticking to the plan Monday through Thursday. This is where it gets interesting, right? I know you're like, only Monday through Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, no plan? Yes, I call it the 4-3 lifestyle, where you're only sticking to this plan Monday through Thursday because what? It gives you a sense of balance, right? Where you can still stay on track, follow a plan, hit your goals, but then also enjoy your life with your family, friends, loved ones, or whatever it is that you may do on your weekends. All right. So Monday through Thursday, stick to that plan. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, take off so that you can have a sense of balance. Number 4, you have to find accountability. It makes it so much easier when you have either a partner, a coach like myself, or any other trainer, or whatever it is, but someone that's going to hold you accountable to actually sticking to this. Accountability is key. Let's talk about your job, right? We're talking about 9 to 5s. If you don't go to work, your boss or your company or whatever is going to hold you accountable, right, for not showing up. It keeps you going. Also, you're going to get that paycheck, you're going to get paid. So you need some accountability in your personal life so that you can stick and maintain to your goals and stay consistent. So find accountability. Number 5 is very important as well. So I saved it for last, and that's removing your peer pressure distractions, right? You can watch this YouTube video that I just created, implement everything, and then all of a sudden you throw 1 through 4 out the window because what? Monday, you got 10-cent wings. So your friends like, let's go grab some wings. Tuesday, you got happy hour with dollar burgers. Wednesday, you got half off drinks. And stay away from the peer pressure. You got to remove the peer pressure distractions and stick to your plan. Especially that's why I said Monday through Thursday. It makes it easy. You got friends. You tell your friends, hey, I'll see you on Friday. See you on the weekend. During the week, I'm staying strict because I have goals. As always, my content is sponsored by C Squared Nutrition, where quality nutrition meets your nutritional needs. Head over to the website www.ctibbs.com. Type in code TIPS by Tibbs for your discount. All right, so let's quickly recap on these 5 tips or rules or whatever you want to call it that you can implement if you work a 9 to 5 and if you're a parent and you're busy and you just feel like you cannot get a grasp on your fitness and nutrition. So, number 1, find an area where you're wasting time, and then you take that time and then you implement it. Number two means implementing that time to your meal prepping and then also your fitness. All right, number 3, stick to that plan Monday through Thursday so that you can have a sense of balance in your life, right? Monday through Thursday, you're following a plan. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're kind of free and kind of balancing your life, enjoying yourself a little bit, right? Number 4, find accountability. It makes it so much easier when you have a partner or a coach or someone that's saying, hey, this is the plan, come back to it, all right? And then removing the peer pressure distractions. Oh, I can't tell you how big that one is. Peer pressure that your friends will be like, let's go this way. Family, it's about family too. Let's go this way. Even your kids might say, you want that cookie daddy, you want that cookie mommy, and you know you're not supposed to have it. If you're someone who needs a coach and want to be coached online, head over to the website www.coreytibbs.com. Click the tab for online coaching and I will get you started. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you are someone out there that's a parent or someone works a 9 to 5 that's busy and need more tips, like this video, drop a comment and let me know what tips you guys are looking for. All right, see you next time.